everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Bhasha. Today I am going to unboxing the brand new MacBook Air with latest processor M4. Let's unbox it. Here is the MacBook packaging. It's like it. Comes from online and the packaging is very nice. The outer packages looks very nice, and inside it there is a brand new MacBook Air M4. Let boot it for the first time, and it is booted to language selection page. Now I am selecting my language, that is English, and I try to boot my laptop for the first time. It is booted for the first time. I will come with a full review video in next video. Jai Hind.